Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Choose your whiskey. Rye is traditional in a Manhattan, and Joseph Bennett, bar manager at New York City's Fine and Rare, prefers Michter's Rye. It has the best balance of spice in the flavor profile and it plays well with a bold, full-bodied Italian vermouth, he explains.
Take our lead.
The Manhattan demands respect. It is brazen and strong, rye whiskey or bourbon, but we think you're better off with rye, Italian vermouth, and aromatic bitters. It is rich, with flavors both spicier and sweeter.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
A Manhattan is a cocktail made with whiskey, sweet vermouth, and bitters. While rye is the traditional whiskey of choice, other commonly used whiskeys include Canadian whiskey, bourbon, blended whiskey, and Tennessee whiskey.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Repeat after me. A Manhattan must be stirred, not shaken. While shaking gets the drink cold like stirring, it leaves the concoction a cloudy mess. It's the worst mistake you can make with this drink. The best method is to stir the drink with a bar spoon, leisurely, for at least 20 to 25 rotations.
Take our lead.
Whiskey. Manhattan, Maine alcohol. The Manhattan is a classic cocktail believed to date back to the late 1800s. It's made with a bracing mixture of bourbon or rye whiskey mixed with sweet vermouth and a dash of Angostura bitters.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
The greatest difference in these two delicious spirits, aside from base ingredients in bourbon and rye, is their taste profiles. Bourbons tend to be more sweet and caramel-like due to their corn base, while rye grains lend a spicier, more savory note to the whiskey.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.